Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is a second video to the last one I did was for staying warm with the cold front that's coming in. This is power and lighting, and I have a variety of items that are available out there. Of course, the old standby, the candles. And you want to make sure you have a lighter. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. It really helps the channel. So I'm not the biggest fan of candles, though I do have an awful lot of them. I have 3 sets of sconces in my house that I can put candles on the wall. You need to be careful if you have dogs, cats, and little children. And I should have had this in the first video. You want to make sure you have a fire extinguisher. Very important. So we have our candles. We have a way to light candles, be it a lighter, matches, whatever. You want to be able to light your candles. You want to have your flashlights and make sure that they have batteries. This is one of those pull open lanterns, but this is solar powered, so you charge it out in the sun, so you don't have to rely on batteries. I also have a thermostat, a thermometer that will tell you the temperature in the house. You also want to make sure you wrap your faucets outside and keep your cabinets open underneath the sinks. You can also buy, which we have, are the coils that you wrap. It's a wire, a heating wire that you wrap around your pipes, and it'll keep them warm. And that will work as long as you have power. If the power runs out, you can use one of these, and this will also charge your devices. Also, if you have a gas generator, make sure you have gas. These are light bulbs that when you put them in your lamps, they charge up, so when the power goes out, the light bulb still works. You can take these out of the lamp, and they come with this part here that you screw on. Then you can hang it, and you just push that, and the light bulb comes on. And these put out a lot of light. And when you have them in storage, you just put that protective cap on there. Again, you want to have your weather radio. Make sure you have your batteries in it. You can get a crank up one or a battery operated one, but make sure you have a weather radio. These I like real well. These are lights you can put in your hallways, your entryway, any room you want. And they are essentially just like your hallway light. You just turn them on. They're battery operated, so that will also give you lighting, and they're motion sensor detected, so when you walk by it'll come on. So motion sensor ceiling lights. And if you have kids, stuff like this is really handy to keep in their rooms and stuff, you know, just so they have that normality. I also have LED lights with the remote controls that you can shape any way you want and hang them from hooks. There's a ton of lighting out there that you can get that's battery operated. We have the old tap light that you push. We have the battery operated LED lights. They come in various sizes. can also buy these light switches for your kids' rooms, and you just flip them on like that. And they have a magnet, the sticky strips, or you can use a nail, and they're battery operated with AAAs. For another alternate power, we have these battery packs. So if you have these, make sure you're charging these up and get them ready to go today. I also have the solar powered ones, and they have the flashlight in there. Let's see if I can. I don't know how to make the flashlight come on, or I'm just wimpy. But I think it's sitting here charging under the light. This thing keeps going across. But yeah, this right here is a solar, and you just lay it out in the sun and it charges up. It has the lavalier here that you can hang it on. So very handy. Charge your phones on these. And then these are magnetic. They have a magnet on the back or the hook, and you just do that. And we keep these like on the refrigerator. My husband has one hanging in his closet. We have these everywhere. And then this right here, this is one that I keep over the stove. Also magnet, so it's always on the hood of the stove. And then you want to have your batteries. And this is a battery organizer. It's so important to have your batteries organized to where you know where they're at. You can just run and get them. They're not, you know, piled up in a box or something. I mean, that's what I used to have, and I was always fishing around and digging around for them. This is really handy. It's called the Battery Daddy, and it holds all the sizes, AA, AAA, C, D, whatever those are called. I put the little round ones in such. Various sizes of these round ones are in here. We have those, we have beanies and headlamps. If you don't have headlamps, those are very handy. And we have the beanies with the lights on them, and they take the various sizes of those batteries. And then this is your battery tester, and it comes with this battery caddy, and it even holds a couple of AAAs in the handle there. So that's this side, and then the other side is all AA's, and then we have the 600 mAh or CR 2450s, whatever those are. So we have even some little round batteries in there too, so you can fill the whole other side with AA's, a couple of AAA's, and the handle on the other side. So very handy to have all of these items organized and ready to just grab when you need to put batteries in any of these items. So I thought I would share with you some lighting and power options. You have the Jackeries, you have the EcoFlows, then you have your gas operated generators. Just make sure you have gas, make sure you have started those up. If you haven't done any of that, tomorrow's kind of the deadline to get prepared, so make sure your generator starts up. All your items have batteries in them. As you can see, some of mine did not, so I'm going to put batteries in some of these things and have them ready to go. Make sure, please make sure you have a fire extinguisher in your house. This is the time of year that fires happen. please do not bring any grills or go out in your car and sit there in the garage or anything like that. That is really deadly. Yeah, and just make sure you have your wood ready. I had my husband build this wood holder today that will keep the wood. I don't like the wood close to the floor, and we had one of those basket like things, but it wasn't really functional, so we have a proper wood holder, if you will, with all the tools that we put together today. So tomorrow I'll be filling that up with wood. And yeah, make sure you have a way to start a fire if you have a fireplace. If you have a wood stove, I figure you're pretty much already set. So anyways, yeah, these solar items are really handy. Just put them outside in the sun, they're good to go. Then you have your battery operated. So, and make sure you have your weather radio so you know what's going on. And with the Jackery, you can charge up a tablet or a computer like a laptop or something like that. And yeah, so these are just a few of the items that we have. I'm going to have to see where the directions are on this so I can turn on the flashlight part of this, but it also has a compass on it. So anyways, has a USB port. You can also charge your small devices on there. So has 3 ports on it. You can also charge this with electricity, you know, on this thing as well. If it's not sunny outside, you can charge it with a cord as well. It comes with that. So very handy item there. We have 2 of these and we have 2 of these, so we'll be able to keep our phones charged up. So I mean, if it starts raining and all of that, there won't be any sun, so you want to make sure you have everything charged up, batteries ready to go, candles, all of that. So yeah, just wanted to share some of the things that we have for lighting and power in our house. You all stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay warm, because it's going to be a doozy for Christmas.